So guys, I accidentally did something on the seats right now. God, this is raggy somehow. It's still not working, bro. All those stupid man. What the? So see you in the next video. So bye bye. So guys, I forgot to cut, so I have to tell them. I took cut. No. I'm gonna pause the record. My video's name is Video Dummy. Do you know my